Hello lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya and today I'm bringing you a heart-opening vinyasa flow. This is really helpful to relieve tension and also counteract some of the postural habits we create throughout our daily activities. So if you want to open your heart, come flow with me.
Meet me on your mat in a comfortable seat. Take any seat you'd like. Allow your eyes to soften here and get comfortable. And begin to tune into your breath. Just take a couple of breaths in through the nose, out through the nose. And then gently bring your palms over your heart. Notice what you feel. Do you feel your heart beating? Do you feel your chest rising and falling as you breathe in and out? Do you feel warmth? Or do you feel that your breath is shallow, or that you're holding on to tension in this space? Wherever you are, accept it and know that your only responsibility for the next 15 minutes is to breathe. Inhale and blink your eyes open. Send your left arm behind you. Grab onto your left palm with your right hand, or maybe even grab onto your right forearm. Notice this opening that is created on the left side of your chest and shoulder. Take a few deep breaths here. Exhale and release. And send that left arm up and over, reaching your fingertips towards your back. And take the right arm underneath, reaching towards each other. You can grab onto your clothing here if you'd like. Grab onto a towel or strap between your fingers, or just continue to reach your fingertips towards each other. Take care here not to allow your upper arm to press your head forward, but rather lift the back of your head, tuck your chin in slightly, and press your head into that upper arm, bringing it in line with the rest of your spine. Exhale and release. This time, send your right arm behind your back and hold your hand with your left hand. Again, noticing this opening you're creating in your right shoulder and upper chest. Find your breath, keeping your spine nice and tall. Exhale and release. Take the right arm up and over. Reach the left fingertips for your right behind you. You may or may not reach here, and wherever you are, know that it's exactly where you need to be. Remember, you can always use props or just continue to reach your fingertips towards each other. And if you can hook them onto each other, just hook on and breathe. Exhale as you release both palms and make your way onto your hands and knees. As you make your way into tabletop, take any shifts that feel good in your body. With your next inhale, drop your belly low and reach your chest high for a cow pose. Exhale, tuck your chin in for a cat pose. Inhale, open your heart. Exhale, round the upper back. Follow your own breath, taking a few more rounds of cats and cows here. Coming back to center with your next breath. Tuck your toes under. Exhale as you shift your hips up and back for a downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet here. Again, find movement or maybe even find stillness, whatever you need on your mat right now. Inhale, lift into your high heels. Exhale as you lower your heels down. Inhale the right leg high, bend the knee and yawn it open. And if you'd like, you can touch those right toes down behind you for Wild Thing. Exhale, flip back over, coming back to center. Inhale the left toes high. Bend the knee, yawn it open, stay here, or flip your dog. Exhale, make your way back to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths here in your downward facing dog. As you exhale, bend the knees, walk your palms back, and inhale to rise. Reach your arms up overhead. Grabbing onto the left wrist, exhale, lean over to your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Grab onto the right wrist as you lean over to your left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale and fold forward. Walk your palms back out to your downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high. Exhale, step it in between your palms. Inhale, rise to your high crescent lunge. Back heel stays lifted. Core is engaged. Find your balance. As you exhale, open up your arms wide, bend your elbows. And if it feels good, take a mini back bend. Exhale, open up wide to your side to your warrior two. Again, take your time adjusting here. Keeping those hips open. Legs are strong. Straighten out the front leg. As you inhale, reach your right fingertips forward and then lower down as you exhale. Find your triangle pose. Remember, you can always use a block here if you'd like. Continuing to open up the left shoulder. You might even consider taking the left arm behind your back to help you open up even more. Bend into the right knee and walk your palms over to the long edge of your mat. Turn your toes slightly towards each other, heels slightly apart, and find your wide leg forward fold. As you exhale, fold just a little bit deeper. Inhale and lift up halfway. Walk both palms over to your left foot this time. You'll be facing the back of your mat. Left knee bends. Inhale, rise to your high crescent lunge. Again, take those elbows wide and maybe even take them out of your peripheral vision. Find a mini back bend here. As you exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Strong bend in the front knee. Core is engaged. Roll your shoulders back and down away from your ears. Straighten out the left leg as you lower down for your triangle pose. Keep your core engaged here and keep your shoulders as stacked as you can, opening up the heart, maybe even taking the right arm behind your back. Keep the legs engaged here. Bend the left knee as you frame your left foot. Exhale, step forward, forward fold. Inhale, rise up to standing. Arms reach up overhead, palms to heart center. Inhale the palms up, and bending your left elbow, grab onto it with your right palm. Lean over to your right side. Deeper side bend here. Exhale, take it to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Palms come to heart center. Breathe here. Inhale, your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Step the right leg back. Inhale, rise to your high crescent lunge. Find your balance. Again, take those cactus arms, bending the elbows, mini back bend if you'd like. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Exhale, straighten out the front leg, triangle pose. Bend into the front knee as you walk your palms towards the long edge of your mat, turning the left toes in, wide leg forward fold. Exhale, walk the palms over to your right foot. Bend the right knee as you inhale and rise to your high crescent lunge. Widen your arms, take that mini back bend. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. With your next breath, find your triangle pose. Bending into the right knee, frame the right foot. Step forward as you exhale. Inhale, rise up, palms reach high. Exhale, palms come to heart center. This time, shift yourself towards the middle of your mat and take your feet as wide as your mat, toes pointing out. As you exhale, bend your knees and sink low into your yogi squat, Malasana. Use your elbows and knees against each other to find a tall spine here. You can stay here, or if you'd like a little bit more opening, take your right forearm in front of your right shin, palm comes down, inhale the left arm high. Breathe here. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, take it to the opposite side. Exhale, bring the palms to heart center once more. Plant the palms down in front of you, step the feet back to your plank. Exhale, lower down all the way to your belly. Take a moment here to bend your right elbow, bringing it in line with your right shoulder. And pressing the left arm underneath your left shoulder, roll over onto your right side. You can bend your knees here for stability, or you can keep the bottom leg straight and take the right leg up and over, toes touching down. Notice the sensations you're feeling. Opening up the front line of your body. Inhale, come back to center. And take that on the opposite side, bending your left elbow, bringing it in line with the left shoulder. Press the right palm underneath the right shoulder as you roll over onto your left side. Again, take the option with your legs that works best for you. This might be an intense stretch for many of us, so just continue to breathe. Inhale, make your way back to center. Stack your palms and rest your forehead on the backs of your palms. We'll take a belly shavasana. You can take your legs wide as your mat. Allow your entire body to release and relax. Melt into your mat. Stay here as long as you'd like. Whenever you're ready, roll over onto one side. Pause here, hugging your knees up towards your chest. And as you're ready, press yourself up into the seat. And take your time getting comfortable here. Allow your eyes to soften. Bring your palms to your heart once more. And think back to the beginning of practice and notice if what you feel is different now. Find gratitude for your heart beating. Find gratitude for this time on your mat. Namaste.
I hope you enjoyed that flow. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It always means a lot to me if you take a second to share this video with those you care about or on social media. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. The clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. If you want more vinyasa flows, check out this playlist right here. You can also find yin yoga and relaxing yoga videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.